Listen, every time you connect to your Wi-Fi to browse the internet or connect to organization secured network, you are using different types of network. It could be local area network LAN, personal area network PAN, or wide area network WAN. In this video, I will explain in details these different types of network for your understanding. Stay with me. Let's start with PAN. PAN is a personal area network that connects devices within a very short range using wireless technology like Bluetooth. It could also be done using physical connection like USB cable. PAN is the smallest network. For instance, when you connect your phone to a Bluetooth, you are using PAN network, personal area network. Let's talk about LAN. What is LAN? LAN is a local area network. It is a network that connects devices within a small geographical area. For example, your home Wi-Fi, office network, or school computer lab, they are all examples of LAN. Now, when you are at home and you connect to your house Wi-Fi, you are using a local area network, LAN. And the last type of network is WAN, wide area network. A wide area network is the largest type of network that uses undersea cable and satellite link. A typical example of WAN is the internet that connects millions of devices together. WAN is what makes it possible for you to watch YouTube video, send emails across countries, and even use Zoom to attend meetings. A WAN, wide area network, consists of multiple smaller networks like LAN and MAN that spans across cities and countries. For instance, supposing you want to send a mail to a friend in UK using your house Wi-Fi, that is WLAN, wireless local area network. Then, the message leaves your house Wi-Fi to an internet service provider through internet cable. Then, the internet service provider will direct your mail to your friend in UK using undersea cable called Global Submarine Cable Network, that is WAN. You need to understand these networks because cybersecurity happens on network and attackers travel through network. Understanding networks helps security analysts to understand how attack starts and how it spreads. Thank you for staying with me to the end, and see you in my next video.